Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring a new city using only the travel hacks I've learned. Let's see if I can make it an unforgettable adventure. Traveling can be an incredible experience, but let's be real. It can also be frustratingly expensive, time-consuming, and just plain overwhelming. That's why I'm excited to share with you some amazing travel hacks that will help you explore like a pro, save money, and make the most of your trip. We've all been there, standing in line for hours, waiting for our flight to board, or stuck in traffic on the way to our hotel. And then, there are the hidden fees, the overpriced food, and the tourist traps that can quickly drain our wallets. Not to mention the missed opportunities, the amazing experiences we could be having if only we knew about them. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to plan your first trip, we've all experienced these frustrations at some point or another. From delayed flights to lost luggage, traveling can be unpredictable and stressful. But what if I told you there were ways to minimize these risks and even turn them into opportunities? What if you could skip the lines, score cheap flights, and find the best local spots? It's all about being prepared and having the right strategies in place. The truth is, traveling doesn't have to break the bank, and it doesn't have to be stressful. With the right mindset and the right tools, you can have an amazing adventure that you'll remember for a lifetime. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. Let's talk about packing like a pro. I used to be one of those travelers who would cram as much as possible into my suitcase, only to arrive at my destination and realize I had forgotten something essential. But then I discovered the magic of packing cubes. They're game changers. Not only do they keep your clothes organized, but they also compress your luggage, making it possible to fit more in. And let's not forget about the 3-1-1 liquids rule. It's a travel hack that can save you time and hassle at security checkpoints. Another hack I want to share with you is the power of travel rewards credit cards. These cards can earn you points that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and even travel gear. And the best part? You can earn these points just by using the card for your everyday purchases. It's like getting free travel just for living your life. If you're like me, you love trying new foods when you travel. But let's be real, eating out can get expensive quickly. That's why I always look for apartments or hotels with kitchen facilities. It's not only cheaper, but it also gives me the freedom to cook my own meals and try out local ingredients. And let me tell you, it's amazing how much more immersed you feel in the local culture when you're cooking your own meals. But the holy grail of travel hacks has got to be Google Trips. This app is a total game changer. It allows you to organize all your travel plans in one place, from flights to accommodations to activities. And the best part? It's completely free. I use it for every trip I take, and it's saved me so much time and stress. The most impactful travel hack I want to share with you is the power of flexibility. So many of us get stuck on this idea of a fixed itinerary, but the truth is, things don't always go as planned. Flights get delayed, attractions close unexpectedly, and weather conditions change. But if you're flexible, you can turn these setbacks into opportunities. Take a delayed flight as a chance to explore the airport, or take a rainy day as a chance to explore a local museum. The more flexible you are, the more you'll be able to roll with the punches and enjoy your trip. In conclusion, these travel hacks can completely revolutionize the way you plan and enjoy your trips. From packing like a pro to being flexible, these tips and tricks can help you save money, reduce stress, and have an unforgettable adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own travel hacks in the comments below. If you want to learn more about travel and get more tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos. Happy travels!